Did you know that turmeric could be more beneficial than some pharmaceutical drugs? Surprising, isn't it? This potent spice, renowned for its vibrant golden hue, boasts a power that rivals some of our most commonly used medicines. Originating from the heart of Asia, turmeric has been a staple in culinary and medicinal practices for centuries. Its potency is not just an old wives' tale, it's a fact that's starting to pique global interest. Intriguing, isn't it? But how does this golden spice work its magic? Let's dive deeper. You might wonder, what makes turmeric so beneficial? The magic lies in a compound called curcumin. This vibrant yellow chemical, found in abundance in turmeric, is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It's like a superhero for your body, fighting off the bad guys that cause inflammation and oxidative damage. Inflammation, although necessary as a short-term response to injury or illness, can become chronic and lead to diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's when it persists. Curcumin steps in, blocking the molecules that trigger inflammation, thus helping to prevent these diseases. Then there's oxidative damage, the villain behind aging and many diseases. Antioxidants protect our bodies from free radicals, harmful compounds that cause this damage. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and boosts the body's own antioxidant defenses. So it's not just a spice, it's a super spice. But how can we incorporate turmeric into our daily life? Adding turmeric into your daily routine can be as simple as 1, 2, 3. Let's explore some tasty and easy ways to do this. Firstly, consider adding a pinch of turmeric to your morning smoothies. It not only enhances the color, but also brings a unique earthy flavor. Next, why not sprinkle some turmeric into your hearty soups? It's a surefire way to add an extra layer of depth to your meals and reap the health benefits at the same time. Thirdly, making turmeric tea could be a soothing addition to your evening routine. It's as simple as simmering turmeric in boiling water and adding a bit of honey for sweetness. And here's a pro tip: always pair your turmeric with a dash of black pepper. Why? Because it significantly increases the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, into the body. So are you ready to embrace the golden goodness of turmeric? Turmeric, a simple spice with powerful health benefits. We've journeyed through its golden hues, delved into the science behind its healing properties, and explored ways to weave it into our daily lives. From its anti-inflammatory effects to its potential in boosting brain function, this humble spice packs quite a punch. Incorporate turmeric into your meals, your drinks, even your skincare routine. For more health tips and facts, don't forget to subscribe to the Altruist YouTube channel. Stay healthy, stay informed.